Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do challenges on the Brilliant application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the today button down below, which is the fourth option. After that you should tap on or scroll down till you find this challenges section. As you can see, there are a bunch of options that you can choose from in different areas or topics such as math and logic, science and engineering. So click on the relevant one that you would like to do. Here you can read about the challenge itself, how you should do it. And here you can read about today's challenge. Select from these options and tap on submit. As you can see, your answer is incorrect. So if you want to check the explanation, tap on show explanation, and then you will be able to read about the explanation of this challenge. So feel free to do the other ones as well, thereby improving your skills in different fields. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.